If you are in Thailand and want to start a business with low investment and long-term profit, watch this video to know how. Thailand is a motorbike nation with over 21 million registered bikes and millions more in daily use. Bikes are part of Thai life. From Bangkok Alley to Chiang Mai Winding Street, students, workers, delivery drivers, and families rely on two wheels every single day. But there's a problem. Riders wash their bikes occasionally. Helmets? Almost never. A dirty helmet causes auto, bacteria, skin irritation, and discomfort. Yet, there's no fast, hygienic service for helmet cleaning in most towns. This is where you, the smart investor, can step in with a solution that Thai customers need, and no one is providing well yet. Go&Go introduced a two-part business solution. First, automatic motorbike washer. Clean a bike in 3 to 5 minutes. Tracks number of washes daily and easily. Operating cost 6 Thai baht per wash. Service fee 25 to 30 Thai baht. 2. Automatic helmet washer. Washer, Steam-disinfects and dries in 10 to 15 minutes. Fully enclosed system. No mess, no smell. Cost per use 4 Thai baht. Service fee 15 to 20 Thai baht. Let's say you serve 40 bikes and 30 helmets per day. That's around 1,400 to 1,800 Thai baht per day in revenue, with total operating cost under 400 Thai baht per day. That's over 1,000 Thai baht in daily profit. And that's just the start. You don't need employees with technical skill. You don't need a large space, only 25 to 30 square meter. You don't need complicated plumbing, just a power source, 220 volt or 380 volt and water hose. Setup is simple. Operation is easy. Scaling up is possible. This system is designed with Thai business in mind. Ideal location include local market, school, apartment zone, outside 7-Eleven store or gas station, as an add-on for car washes, cafés, or bike shops. You'll be the first in your area ordering helmet cleaning as a proper automated service. And it makes your motorbike wash stand out from all competitors. And most importantly, Thai customer already paid for bike washing, but now you offer more value with faster service and better hygiene. You can operate one machine or scale 5 to 10 locations as demand grows. This isn't just a device, it's a plug-and-play business model. If you've been looking for a long-term profit business with real customer demand, a clean tech power model that runs with minimal staff, something easy to launch with no franchise fee or complex setup, then Go&Go Motorbike and Helmet Washer combo is your answer. Thousands of bike, thousands of helmet. One smart inventor, you can turn that into a daily income stream with potential ROI. Contact Go&Go today to get pricing and full spec. Watch a demo video, receive step-by-step business guidance. Thailand is ready for this service. Are you ready to be the first to bring it to your neighborhood?